My dearest Jer, mahal, my wife. I remember the first time na nag-meet tayo, na pinakilala ka sa akin. Hindi tayo nagkausap ng araw na yan. But somehow, within my heart, I felt that God is paving a way for yet another wonderful gift. What I did not know is I'm about to receive one of the most important blessings that we'll ever have in my entire existence. And that is finally find the half of my heart.
Dear Dennis, before I wasn't searching for anyone, but in His perfect timing, the Lord blessed me with a complete Chinese package, which I didn't expect. He brought me a hardworking man, a man who loves me unconditionally, patient one, and adds a touch of sweetness to my life. You're what I'm searching for, and right beside you is where I always want to be. With you, I'm not afraid. With you, it doesn't matter where we are, because I feel like I'm always home.
Sana'y magmahalang kayo, ay may tiwala sa isa't isa.
Ito na yung pinag-uusapan natin before, last year, na matagal pa tayo kakasal, matagal pa, pero ito na. Pag may nangyayari sa buhay ko, it always rain. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Siguro it's a bless. At ngayon, feeling ko, sa mga susunod na panahon, mas lalo ako na-excite. Mabuhay. Sa dami ng away natin, pagtatalo, or minsan misunderstanding, I always pray na lagi tayo bibigyan ng pagkakataon na magkaunawaan. And now, we end up here. Wala pa rin tayong ligtas sa isa't isa. Hindi ako nagpakasal dahil gusto ko lang. Nararamdaman ko na ikaw na talaga.
Maganda kayo ngayon.
Super pretty naman talaga. And then pagkausap ko siya, talagang kita-kita ko intelihenteng babae. Paka-matured. And masarap kausap, napakamasayahin babae, kompleto. Siguro, kung may nagkulang, honestly, yung height lang niya. Para sa akin, perfect na perfect. Yung kakulangan niya, yun ang perfect sa akin.
Now, I vow to always be your best friend, your biggest supporter. I promise to listen with compassion, speak with a low volume of voice and kindness, and love with all my heart.
Kaya ayaw ko umiyak eh. Humahagulgul kasi ako eh. Parang bigay na bigay yung iyak. Kaya ang pangit. Kaya ayaw ko. Nakaka-amaze kung paano nangyari lahat. Kasi 1998, first time ko nagbenta ng hotdog. Which is yung 1998, yun yung birth year niya. Ang hindi ko na-expect, na-meet ko siya dahil sa hotdog. Dahil nag-work siya kay San Miguel Fruits.
Kinakabahan ako at the first we met kasi I don't know kung paano ko siya i-handle. Kasi based on the turnover, hindi ko gusto yung mga trip niya.
Kumbaga talaga kaming kung biglang dating, biglang na-meet, pagtitinda ko ng hotdog 1998, which is pinanganak siya nung taon na yon. Wala lang, parang hindi ko alam kung nakasulat yan.
It is God that binds you now together. Whatever challenges you may face, still I know there can be a happy ending. And your story lived happily ever after.
Thank you.
So, ito na ba yung pasalubong mo?
Wow, ang galing. As in, ganito lang talaga yung nagay niya.
This is for you. I know you're not a fan of gifts and surprise, but I hope you like this simple gift.
Ako talaga pumili nito.
I will lessen my katarayan. Oh, dapat.
So, mahal, today is a great day to get married. And I only getting married because it's you.
Wow! Okay.
I love you so much. See you later, Jen. Bag. Yun na niya siguro makilagay yung phone ko sa bag niya. Kaya binigyan na ako. Thank you for this. Jel, mahal, ikaw ang pinaka-mamahig ko, higit pa man sa kahit kanino, at pinaka-iibigin ko, higit pa man sa anumang merong bagay sa mundong ito.
When I saw you for the first time,
I'll stand by your side in times of joy and times of challenge, celebrating our triumphs, weathering any storms together. I promise to cherish every moment we have, to create new memories and traditions, and to always find reasons to laugh and smile with you.
Thank you, Dennis, for my lawful husband, to have and to hold. From this day forward, I promise to be faithful to you, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish all the days of my life.
I know I felt like this before. It reminds me what I've been missing. Every memory, evermore.
Today, I give you my hand and my heart as I join my life with yours forever. I love you now and always, Jen.
The bride. Congratulations.
There were times when I just want to look at your face, with the stars in the night. There were times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold.